What up, Tube? I found the greatest Google extension that I've seen in a long time. It is so cool. It's called Honey. It basically gives you any promo code that is available on that site. Let me show you here. So, if you go to the Honey extension and you can download it, and it comes up over here. It's right here right now. See, this is not lit up because I'm not on a page that'll do anything. Like, let's say we go to eBay. And let's see here. Let's no, I don't want to do that. I don't want to accidentally buy something wrong here. Let's just say I'm searching for a tablet. Okay, so we have this tablet, and let's say I pick this one, and then I add it to my cart. No thanks. Okay, look at that. Right away, it had rewards available. So you can just activate the reward and you will get it. So it's so nice because, on some of them it'll give you a discount. Like this is a 2% back cash or whatever from eBay. I'm gonna remove this. Um, like Wish.com. It's one of my favorite sites. I know some people don't like it, but I do. If you go to your cart and you go to checkout, it has all these right here ready to rock. Um, so you hit apply coupons, it'll check. I currently have the best coupon available for it right now, but it'll check. It had 10 coupons available for it. So basically, it'll go through all my coupons. If you see down here, it's going through all the coupons, and the one I currently have is as high as it goes. See, it says no buyer's remorse. You already have the best price, so that's one of them. Best Buy, pretty much anything you think of. As soon as you get to the checkout, man, I'm telling you, it's awesome. It's so cool because you never have to worry about missing anything, like a deal that you wanted to get. So let's see, we're looking at 32-inch TVs. We're going to add to cart. Okay, let's see here. Things just go to my cart. Okay, now we're going to check out. Oops, don't want to do that. I want to just go to my cart. Okay, and then I pull these down, and it has all these codes, all of them, just ready and waiting for you to try to use and stuff. Um, so it's really cool app. One thing I'm really interested in is if it works on uh, airlines. Let's try Southwest.com. That's a good idea. I never even thought about that. Look, they found one coupon. Let's see what this coupon is. Savings applied. Wonder what kind of savings was applied to that. Let's see here. Foreclose try to check out. I don't see what it was. Probably have to wait and see at the end when I checked out. So it does work on airlines though. Let me see about American Air. I never even thought about doing it for flights. I was just looking at product and department stores and stuff. So let's see here. Let's go IND. And let's go to Las Vegas. And only Thursday. Alright, so let's search. And let's see what happens when we go to checkout. So we pick that there. Oh, wow, pretty expensive fly out there. And then that there. And let's see, no upgrade. Continue as a guest. Okay, they haven't found any. So it shows they haven't found any for it. So that's cool. So it shows even if it doesn't find it, which is pretty cool. So this thing's pretty nice. DraftKings. Let's see here. It's even got it for DraftKings. I'll be darned. So let's see. Apply coupons. I'm sure it'll be a deposit. This thing's just pretty badass because it just automatically does it for you. So if you go to deposit, let's see here. I wonder what it was there. Free $3 ticket to any played $3 contest. So if I go in with that promo, I don't even have to do anything. That's cool. No, I don't want to deposit. So let's just say I was going to play a $3 tournament. It would give me a free one, it says. So let's just go to the main page here. So like these $3 tournaments right here, looks like as soon as I play one, oops, wrong one. I just think this is so neat. Savings applied, and a free $3 ticket, play in any $3 paid contest. So I get a free entry. Wow, that's pretty cool, man. I mean, I'm amazed at some of the stuff this comes across. It's not just department stores; it's anything that you can buy, I guess. So I highly recommend doing it because it automatically will fly up, when you're doing stuff at checkout, and it'll save you some money. And I know a lot of times I'm going on searching for promo codes. So the fact that this thing does it without even having to worry about it, without you trying to do it, is just so awesome. And it's a really good extension, and you'll know if it's working or not if it's a page because it's gray. It's on my YouTube, so it's gray. But as soon as I go to eBay, it turns orange because there's stuff functioning there at eBay. So when it's working and when it's not, it's automatic. So yeah, I would really highly recommend you guys installing this and using it because it is absolutely amazing. I've used it already to get my best prices you saw on the what was it? Wish.com. So yeah, I definitely highly recommend it, and just thought I'd show you guys. So thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to hit subscribe, and if you haven't yet, made a brand new trailer of my video of basically welcome to my channel. It's a new trailer of what my channel is all about, and how I got to where I am right now. So I just made it so for any viewers that are coming in for the first time, you're going to see that channel. But if you guys haven't, or they're already subscribed, you may check it out. It gives you a little idea of why I have a mixture of everything, and I don't just focus on one thing. I explain that in there and stuff. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and keep on tubing, everybody. We'll see you guys next time. Later.